Hello and welcome to the Reiki Gem Wellness channel. Today we're going to be talking about the top 4 crystal healing benefits of using malachite, the stone of transformation, in your life. For those who have been watching my videos, welcome back. I really appreciate the support. And for those who are new to the channel, my name is Shannon, and I'm a certified Reiki master and teacher and a certified gemologist, and I combine those skills and passions to provide you with the knowledge, tools, and opportunities to practice incorporating crystal healing into your daily life. And today, we're going to see how you can incorporate malachite into your daily life. Now, malachite is a gorgeous, deep green stone with multicolored green banding. So it's multiple shades of this deep, deep green. And it's copper in this stone that gives it this green color. And the lacy banding pattern happens when it's created layer by layer by layer. And it's just a wonderful, gorgeous stone that stimulates the heart chakra. And malachite, just to let you know, when you're adding it to your crystal collection, a couple of things. One, it's very powerful, and it's also toxic, physically toxic. So if you are in the habit of doing crystal elixirs in water, do not do that with malachite. It is physically toxic when ingested. So if you do want to do crystal elixir mixtures, make sure that your malachite is in a waterproof, watertight little container before you put it in the water, because it is toxic. Now, that's not my area of specialty. I don't do crystal elixirs, but I do know you need to avoid it with malachite. And also, if you're handling rough malachite, then you'll need to wash your hands after. Handling polished malachite is okay, but rough, the powder will get on your hands. You do need to wash your hands afterwards. Also, when buying malachite, it's very scarce and very popular. So it is rather costly to buy malachite. Just keep that in mind when you're purchasing it. If you see high prices, that's normal. If you are looking for malachite, then check my online crystal healing store. The link is below. I do occasionally post some malachite jewelry, but since it is pretty popular, it tends to go fast. So keep checking back, because I try to add new pieces as often as I can. So the benefits of malachite. Malachite is the stone of transformation. And as I said, it's a really powerful gemstone. And the first benefit of malachite is that it unearths the hidden. So it reveals what is hidden within you. And it takes off any sorts of blindfolds that you've been wearing. And it raises unearthed emotion. It brings up repressed issues, and it basically prevents you from ignoring anything in your life. If you're in denial about something, it is going to make issues blatantly obvious and clear. So if you are hiding anything from yourself, or if you are denying that something is true, or you're just been overlooking something, it just hasn't caught your attention, then working with malachite, it's going to make it blatantly obvious. It will make it impossible to ignore the truth any longer. And so this is one of those powerful aspects of malachite. So if you're wearing it, make sure you work with malachite in short doses, that you're not wearing malachite all the time, 24/7, because it can get a little overwhelming things rising to the surface, especially if you're not ready for it. So if you've been wearing malachite jewelry and just feeling really unsettled and these things keep on popping up for you, then that's the reason why, and you should probably give yourself a break. But if you're ready for digging up anything that you feel might be repressed, or you're ready to work on issues that maybe you've been avoiding for a little while, then malachite is a really powerful stone for that. The second benefit of using malachite in your life is that it absorbs toxicity. So most gemstones, they emit an energy for you to take in. But malachite, it absorbs energies. And that doesn't mean it absorbs your personal energy and makes you tired. No, it absorbs toxicity and negativity from you and from your environment. So it draws out any kind of negative energy from within and it absorbs it. And it also absorbs anything that might be making you feel out of balance or ill. So if you're kind of feeling stuck, you're feeling like something's off or not right, then sitting with malachite will either show you why you're feeling that way or absorb what might be inside, blocking your energies and causing you to feel that way. Now, malachite is also known for filtering your environment. If you work around a lot of electronics, then malachite will absorb electronic pollution and EMF pollution. Also, if you're going to be traveling, especially by bus or by airplane, because you tend to be in environments where there's electronic pollution from scanners and x-rays, there is fuel pollution from fuel for buses and airplanes, there's people pollution, so you're in a very tight space with lots of other people and their germs. So if you carry malachite with you while you travel, then it will absorb all of it and keep it from you. So for this reason, malachite needs to be cleansed really frequently. And I keep mine on a selenite plate, which makes sure that it's constantly cleaned and cleared whenever it's sitting on the plate. And this is a great stone to make sure that you set out during the full moon so that it can get cleansed and charged. But whenever you work with malachite, make sure that you have a place to cleanse it afterwards. And I highly recommend either keeping it with selenite or citrine, blue kyanite, or carnelian, which all help to cleanse other gemstones. The third benefit of working with malachite is that it's the stone of transformation, and it stimulates deep, immense change and transformation in your life. So if you are looking for change, this is a great stone to have with you. So with all of the activation and awakening and revealing that malachite does, it initiates transformation within your life. It helps open room for you within for transformation as it clears and absorbs anything in your chakra or auric energy system that might be blocking your spiritual progress. And it opens up the channels for you so that you have that energy and that space to process transformation. So if you've been looking to change some deep-seated habits or behaviors or belief systems, then malachite is a phenomenal stone for helping you initiate and process and complete those transformations. And it is also great for when you're going through a change that you haven't initiated yourself. You're going through a divorce, a loss of someone, you're going through a major change in your life, then Malachite is really supportive, and it will help you get through the transition from that major life change. It's really supportive. It helps you get through the entire transformation process. And then the fourth benefit of working with Malachite is that it helps manifest things in your life. So manifestation is another benefit of Malachite. And so when you're opening up space within, you're clearing the blockages, you are ready for transformation, that opens up an immense amount of room in your life to invite in positive opportunities for yourself. So when you're working with Malachite, make sure to keep an eye out for those opportunities that will pop up for you. And then it's also a great stone if you are planning, intention setting, you are doing vision boards. This is a great way to help stimulate ideas that you'd like to manifest, or help those ideas manifest within your life. So Malachite is an incredibly powerful stone. It stimulates deep change and transformation. And so, be careful when you sit with it, that you're ready for what's going to happen when you work with Malachite. Now, if you're working with it intentionally, then it's going to be supportive for you. If you're wearing it as jewelry, then things may pop up unexpected. So if that's been happening for you, that's why. But Malachite, it really helps you become the butterfly that you are destined to be. It wants you to further your spiritual progress and become the best version of yourself. Thank you so much for joining me today to talk about Malachite and its benefits in your life. And if you feel that you'd like to work with Malachite some more, then in 2 days, I'll be posting a guided meditation with Malachite. And you don't need to have a Malachite stone to benefit from the meditation. But if anything in this video or in the meditation really calls to you or triggers you, then that's a sign that you should get some Malachite and work with it further. If you are new to the channel and you are really curious about how crystals and gemstones can help you in your everyday life, I talk about a new gemstone every single week. On Wednesdays, I post these informational videos about how a gemstone can support you. And on Fridays, I post the guided meditations designed specifically for that gemstone. So if you're interested in exploring a wide array of crystals and gemstones, then make sure to hit the subscribe button so you don't miss out on a single gemstone video. Thank you so much, and I'll see you during the guided meditation.